So Cardano finally got out of this consolidation area and saw a very respectable push here towards the upside. However, we did see sellers stepping up pretty much exactly at this $1.34 level that we talked about in my previous Cardano video just a few days ago. You can see we have been seeing sellers stepping up at this level multiple times, and that is one of the levels we will take a closer look at in this video. So in this video, guys, we are back with ADA. We will, as always, take a look at the technicals as well as doing a price prediction. We have some new and interesting data in this one, so make sure to, really pay attention during the whole video. And without further ado, let's jump right into it. And real quick before we start, I just want to mention that if you guys are interested in similar content, I do technical analysis on, for example, Cardano, but I also do Ethereum, VeChain, XRP, and more. Then don't hesitate to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And also, guys, if you hit that blue like button, that would be very, very awesome. It really helps out the community, but it also helps the YouTube algorithm to push out more Cardano content to more people. So, guys, a like would be very, very awesome. If you want to, you can also follow me over on Twitter and Instagram. I'm being more and more active on these platforms, so it would be very awesome to chat with you guys over there. Last but not least, guys, I have to give a disclaimer. This video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Nothing in this video is financial advice. But alright, now let's jump into the chart here and take a look at what has happened recently here for Cardano. So as you probably know, if you have been following my videos, you know that Cardano have for a long while now been stuck in a sort of consolidation area right here, in between around 1.16 and 1.23, $1.34 around there. If we zoom in here, you can see that this is daily candles. We did have one day when we closed above this area, and we saw a very nice continuation force here to the upside. However, the next day we did crash below this one once again, so we have never got a whole day above this consolidation area. Today, however, Cardano is up around 3.41%, and if Cardano can keep this up and close the day above this area, then we finally have a confirmation that we actually broke out of this consolidation phase. So that is something I'm personally looking out for here for Cardano. And another thing I do want to mention here that we talked about in my previous video was that if you look down on the MACD oscillator down here, you can see that we haven't really had positive momentum until all the way back here on around March 3rd. So we have been having negative momentum in over a month. However, yesterday we actually flipped to a positive momentum here finally on the MACD. So that is a good sign. So we have some bullish signs indicating a potential continuation here to the upside. However, it was very interesting to see this because in my previous video we talked about this level at around 1.344 as a potential level where sellers might step up. You can see this one have been acting multiple times as resistance right here, March 19, another time here, April 6th, and yesterday we reversed exactly at this level. So in my opinion, that is a very key level to pay attention to, and we will take a closer look at that one later on in this video. And guys, as always, please let me know what are you drinking today. I'm having some coffee, and I'm actually having some milk in the coffee. Don't hate me for that. It happens sometimes. Sometimes some milk, just slips in the coffee. But let me know in the comment section what you are drinking. Always interesting to hear that. And before here we jump into some very key support and resistance levels, I just want to give a quick warning to you guys, and that warning is that please do be aware of bot accounts and scammers in the comment section. I spend lots of time every day deleting scam comments, bot comments. So guys, please never trust anyone in the comment section. I can also just mention here that if you want to, we actually have a community Discord server, and I will leave a link to that both in the pinned comment and also in the description below. We have some very awesome chats over there. We talk crypto, trading, life in general, and more. So it would be very awesome to chat with you guys over on the Discord. But alright, now let's take a look at the chart here and let's try to identify some very key levels. And let's start with the upside here. So the first level I'm paying close attention to, we have been talking about that is the 1.34 level around there. As we have been talking about, we have been seeing sellers stepping up, at least 1, 2, 3 times. And also if you look a bit more left here, you can see that around this area we did see resistance even earlier, all the way back here on February 28th. So that is definitely a level to pay attention to. If the bulls manage to push above this level, in this whole area, I actually don't see any clear resistance. So the next sort of level I'm paying attention to is this sort of all-time high all the way up at around 1.47, a bit higher. I'm also seeing this as a zone around 1.47 to 1.50. The reason I'm paying attention to 1.50 is that that number is such a whole and clean number. So from my experience, traders tend to pay more attention to, clean and whole numbers. So I wouldn't be surprised if we actually see some selling pressure at this around 1.50 level. If the bulls even manage to break this one to the upside, then it can go really fast here. We don't have any resistance there. What we do have and what we did use to derive our next level was that we used our Fibonacci tool. So we used our Fibonacci retracement from the recent high to the most recent low, the most clear swing here, and we get that our 1.618 Fibonacci extension level is here at around 1.74 US dollars. So that level is one you can pay attention to if the bulls actually manage to push through this 1.50 level. That might be a hard task, but yeah. But guys, how about the downside? What levels am I looking out for on the downside? When we look at this, I actually want to switch to the 4-hour time frame to get a more clear picture. And the first level, and this is actually one I'm definitely looking out for, is this upper line of the consolidation area. So I think it's very possible, it's absolutely not impossible, that we want to go down and retest this area before we run again. You can see here, if we really zoom in, you can see that after the breakout we actually got sort of a small retest, but not a clear one. So it's possible that we want to go down there, see some buyers stepping up, and then actually push higher. So that is the first level I'm paying attention to. And if Cardano once again fail this rally, goes back into the consolidation area, then I'm of course looking out for this lower line as well at around 1.16. You can also see this blue line right here. That is an upsloping, potential support line. I don't know what I really think about this one. Not too significant in my opinion, but we have been seeing buyers stepping up, 1, 2, 3 times. So it's not impossible that if the sellers manage to push the price all the way down there, that we can see some buyers stepping up at that blue line as well. Another thing I'm paying attention to that I don't usually pay lots of attention to is actually this 50-day moving average that is creeping up right here. So why am I actually looking out for this one? Well, I look at this one because we did see buyers stepping up at the 50-day MA right here on March 24, and we also did see buyers stepping up once again at the 50-day MA at around April 8th. So it looks like traders are sort of respecting this line. So I would not be surprised actually if we see buyers and traders respecting this moving average once again. I know that a lot of traders are paying attention to the moving averages, so this is not too surprising that we are seeing this. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you feel like you got any kind of help or value, then please consider dropping a like, and if you guys are interested in more similar content, then don't hesitate to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I hope you guys have an awesome day, and I hope I will catch you in the next video. But for now guys, take care, ciao ciao.